In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a tab in Salesforce. This process is quite essential for customizing your Salesforce environment, enabling you to access and organize information exactly as you need it. Whether you're an admin or a user looking to enhance your configuration, understanding how to add a tab is a valuable skill. Let's kick things off by heading over to the Setup area in Salesforce. You can find the Setup icon at the top right corner of your screen. It looks like a small gear. Click on it, and it will open up a world of options and settings that you can configure to suit your needs. Once you're in Setup, you'll notice a Quick Find box on the left-hand side. This box is incredibly handy for locating specific settings without scouring through everything manually. Here, we're going to type in tabs to filter our results. This will bring up a list of tab-related options, and you need to select simply tabs. Now that you're in the tab setup area, take a look under the headings for custom object tabs or web tabs, depending on what kind of tab you intend to create. If the object you want to work with doesn't already have a tab, you'll see the option to add a new one. So go ahead and click on New to create a new tab. Next comes the selection phase. You need to pick the custom object that you wish to create a tab for. Salesforce will present you with a list of objects, and you can select the one that best fits your requirements. This is an important step because the tab will display all the records related to that particular object. Once you've chosen your object, let's move on to adding some style. You have the freedom to select an icon and a color that suits your preferences. This aesthetic choice will not only help in visually distinguishing your tab, but also will make it easier for you and others to recognize it at a glance. After that, it's time to set the tab's visibility. You'll be given a list of profiles, and you need to select which profiles you want this tab to be visible to. This is crucial for ensuring that the right people have access to the information they need while maintaining control over data privacy and security. Don't worry too much. You can always fine-tune this later when you add the tab to a specific app. With these selections made, you're nearing the finish line. Just click on Save, and there you have it. Your new tab is all set up and ready to be used. You've just customized your Salesforce experience, making it more tailored to your needs. Remember, having a clear and organized workspace is key to boosting productivity and efficiency. Congratulations on successfully adding a tab in Salesforce, and thank you for watching. We hope this walkthrough has been helpful. Feel free to explore and customize further until everything aligns perfectly with your workflow.